Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Audi Q7 key battery. Okay, see the button on the side here? Yeah, if you press it down, yeah, press and pull it out. Press and pull it out. Here's an emergency key. Now the battery is in here. You see the clip on the side here. If you squeeze it like that, yeah, pull it out. Here's the battery, CR2032 battery. Yeah, to replace it, go in like that. Yeah, go in, press it down, and then put it back in. Push it all the way in until you hit the click, and then insert the mechanical key. It's done. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.